Welcome to Interview Talks.
Hello guys, today I am discussing job in two companies, Wipro and Atos Syntel. 2019 to 2020-21 batch freshers and experience are eligible this drive. In this video, I am discuss what is job description and how to fill application form. So watch this video till end. Before go to discuss, if anyone still not to apply off-campus jobs, check video links in description. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Let's start the discussion. Work Integrated Learning Program 2021. In Work Integrated Learning Program is a unique learning integrated program which offers BCI and BSc students a chance to build a remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing their higher education in MTech from a premier educational institution in India sponsored by Wipro. Let's see the eligible criteria. Education 10th 12th pass. Graduation 60% or 6.0 CGPA and above are applicable by the university guidelines. Year of passing 2021. Qualification BCA BSc. Eligible streams computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, electronics and physics. Other criteria mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one subject in graduation. So you must study mathematics as one of your subject. Business maths and applied maths will not be considered as core mathematics in graduation. Maximum of 3 years of education gap is allowed, if any is allowed between 10th and graduation. No gaps are allowed in graduation. Graduation should be completed within 3 years. Education should be regular full-time only in 10th, 12th and education recognized by the central state government of India. Should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card in the event of holding a passport of any other country. Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizenship certificate. Candidates who have participated in the selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. Stipend details. At the time of training, company will pay stipend. First year stipend 15,000 plus 488 ESI. Second year stipend 17,000 plus 533 ESI. Third year stipend 19,000 plus 618 ESI. Fourth year 23,000. Service agreement. On joining, candidates would be required to sign a service agreement for 60 months. Now see the selection process. Online assessment 80 minutes. It includes aptitude, verbal, analytical, quantitative. Written communication test English 20 minutes. Upon selection in the online assessment, candidate will be required to go through a technical interview followed by an HR interview. If anyone want interview videos of Wipro and other companies, check links in video description. Last date to apply this job is 15th July 2021. Online assessment will be informed via registered email letter. If you are interested, I provide this registration link in description. You can click on apply now. You are redirecting to login details page. Now I am start discuss about job description in Atos Syntel. Atos Syntel eligible criteria 2021 full-time graduates only from recognized universities. Courses and streams BE, BTech, Computer Science, Information Technology, MCA, Computer Application. Aggregate percentage minimum 60 in 10th, 12th and graduation. No backlogs. Maximum 1 year education gap is allowed. Drive location online. Prerequisites. Good written and verbal English skills. Flexible to work in any shift, morning, afternoon, night, 24/7. Job location Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Tirunelveli. The company reserves the right to allocation. After read all details, you can click on accept. Now you are redirecting to application form. In application form, you should fill the details related to Aadhaar number, PAN, first name, last name, date of birth, father name, mother name, mobile number, gender, email ID, marital status, mother tongue, current address and permanent address, pin code, state, nationality. After fill all details, you should click on next and fill the details related to education, and you should attach your resume. After fill all details, you can click on submit. You are notified by company will soon. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Thank you.